So here's where they messed up. They did the 50,000 that were already in the tank, and then they just subtracted what was what? They subtracted what was removed, right? But they forgot to also add what was what? Being put in. So that's where they messed up. Okay, so they should have done 50,000 plus the integral of this equation, right? That was the amount of water being added from 0 to 8. And then all of that minus what they got in this question over here, the 8,000.
But like, where did they figure out that part of how much water we can, or that was just like something you should have, you know?
Yeah, they gave us the equations. Water is pumped into the tank at this rate,
Oh,
right? So I have to do the integral of that using my calculator. And then I had already done the integral of R of t, technically the approximate of it, using the left Riemann sum. That's why they want you to use that number. So they just forgot that part of the amount of water being added. They didn't take that into consideration. And that's why they got that one incorrect. They still got a 5, so you can get parts of the test to mess up and you still be good. Okay? Cool? But those are the types of questions to expect. And that's a really good one because they're testing two things. They're testing to see if you can evaluate or approximate an integral using a Riemann sum from a table, and whether you can actually approximate or find the definite integral on your calculator, which is one of the things that they want to test for on the AP test. You have to be able to evaluate a definite integral on the calculator, which should be easy because you just type it in. You also have to be able to evaluate a derivative, which should also be easy because you just type it in. Okay? You also need to be able to find where curves intersect each other. I don't think that's hard, right? Or to find where the curve intersects the x-axis, finding the zeros. All different things that we've been practicing on the calculator, because you're going to need those skills for the AP test. Sounds good? Alright, so that's it for today. I'm going to give you the assignment on this so you can practice some of these skills. And I'll also give you 3 free response questions for you to practice, either right now or over the weekend. 2 of them will be with calculators. And the last one, which will be a question number 4, that is a non-calculator question. Okay? Sounds good? Alright.
yeah.
So now we're just going to